Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. It is Friday and it is just time for a no fuss dinner, just a really nice easy dinner, or just as an inspiration for tomorrow when you maybe have a hangover from going out on a good Friday night. Today I have some delicious milks or toast as we call them here in Denmark. It is one of my favorites. Today it's going to be with some cold chicken cuts, spinach, cream cheese, mozzarella, and bell pepper and red onion. It is just such a delicious, yummy milk or toast. Let's get started. I'm ready to assemble these bad boys, and you just make as many as you want to. But on 2 pieces of toast, I am going to add some butter on. Then flip one of them around and add some cream cheese on. Pepper, salt, fresh spinach, little bit of shredded mozzarella, then some cold chicken cuts. I'm just going to add on 5 pieces. You can easily add in more if you want more meat. On some thin slices of bell pepper, lots of mozzarella cheese, and some red onion. The other slice of bread on top with the butter side up. Today I'm just going to use my panini grill, but you can also use a toaster or just make them as a milk on the pan. It is completely up to you guys, but just into the machine or onto the pan, just fry until golden brown on both sides. When they are all done, they are ready to be served. I'm so ready to dig in. I mean, come on, all that cheese. Mmm. That cheese, meat, spinach, cream cheese, onion, bell pepper. It's just such a nice combo. And then this crispy butter bread. Yum. Give them a go, guys. You don't really need an ingredients list, but of course they'll like all down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out any future videos. Bye!